Hey y'all, it's your girl Crafter of All Things, and I am back again with another beginner friendly easy tutorial for my Cricut users. Yesterday I showed you guys a tutorial on how to turn a JPEG or PNG image into a cut file inside of Cricut Design Space. So right now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that exact same thing, but in the Cricut mobile app. This is super duper convenient, easy. If you have a 9 to 5 and you're on break and you want to get a head start on a project, this is the way to go. I was literally like in the grocery store shopping and I was working on this image. So when you go into the Cricut app, you're going to go ahead and log in and you will see this home page. Okay, right there where it says new project is what you would click on because you are starting a fresh new project. Okay, click on upload. I'm going to click on select from photo library because I downloaded my image to my photo library, and we're going to use the Jigsaw horror character from the movie Saw. Now here is the great thing about the mobile app. That top right hand corner black box is your preview box. It's going to show you what your image is going to look like after you finalize everything. Okay, any changes that you make is going to reflect in that preview box, so you basically get a chance to see what the image is going to look like before you confirm everything. This is something that is so good because, again, like I said, it saves a lot of time and it helps you to pay attention to any flaws or anything that you need to correct. At the bottom left hand corner, you see our removal wand, which is the same thing that we use on the desktop. And you are going to remove the white parts because we don't want the white part. All we want is the black part because we are creating a silhouette cut file. So this is the same exact thing that we did yesterday. And for this tutorial, we are also using only a single layer image, meaning it only has one color. Okay, you can go ahead and zoom in on the small parts. Work smart, not hard. Zoom in, get rid of those small parts. And so if you pay attention on the top right hand corner, every single thing that I'm doing, removing the white part, is reflecting in that preview box. Everything that you do to the image. If you make a mistake and end up clicking on something that you weren't supposed to click on, at the bottom where it says undo, you can go ahead and click on that and it will undo what you did. Okay, if I get silent, it's because I'm trying to focus. I'm a perfectionist, so. Okay, I think we are almost done. So after you have reviewed everything and made sure that you got all of the white parts, you will then click on next. So review. If you're satisfied, We're going to click on next. Now here is where you would fix any rigged edges. If your image is distorted, here is where you would do that. At the bottom where it says smooth is what you would press to smooth out any rigged or blotchy edges. That is the difference between the mobile app and the desktop app. When we fixed the blotch edges on the cut file that we worked on yesterday, we used the reduced colors and color tolerance. So for the mobile app, for Cricut, you're going to use smooth to do that instead. All right. So you're going to click on next. And if you look there, that is our cut image. You are not working on a print then cut. We are working on a cut image. It gives you the option now to go ahead and name your image. I'm going to do Sawtooth Halloween. And after you name your image, you are going to click on save. There is our image that we worked on right there. So if you notice, there is the Wakanda Forever image that we worked on yesterday. So that lets you know that, like I said, the same exact thing that is on the desktop Cricut app comes up on the mobile app. All of your saved images, it pops up right there. So after you click on your image, you're going to click on insert, which is at the bottom right hand corner. And we have inserted our cut file. There it is. So everything is smooth. He's clean cut. All right. At the bottom, you'll see you have your text fonts feature, shapes. You can upload more images. You can click on layers. You can edit. For the actions tab at the bottom, that's where you would weld, slice, or contour. All right. I'm going to click on save. Here you're going to save your project because you're going to work on it later. So we need to go ahead and save this project. And click on save to iPhone. So it was saved. Now I'm going to show you how to open up this project if you are on the home page. If you're just logging back in and you want to continue to work on the project on the mobile app, you would click on categories, click on my projects on this iPhone, click on the image, and there it says edit or delete. We're going to click on edit. Okay. And we're going to click on customize. And there is our cut file. There it is. So if you have to log out for whatever reason and you want to come back into the Cricut mobile app and finish working on your project, that is how you would do that. So I hope that this tutorial was easy for you guys. If you guys have any questions,